What is this random numbers? See, sometimes you will be asked to make a game of a dice, Ludo. What does the dice do? It gets you the random value between 1 and 6. Right now what I am making is that I am making a program to display you the 10 random numbers between 0 and 9. Let's understand this program first. I am importing a random object, random module. Okay. Why? Because there is a method called randint of the random module. What it does, you are providing the range into it. 0 till 9, both are inclusive. So what randint will do, it will get you any random value between 0 and 9, inclusive 9 also. You are printing it. And this for loop will go from 1 to 11. 1 to 11 means this loop will execute for 10 times. And every time it will get you a random value between 0 and 9. Okay, so let's copy this program. See, 0 and 9 is inclusive. Can you see it here? And the beauty of random number is that you will never get the same output every time. See, there's 5 is repeated, 7 is repeated again, 5 is repeated again. It is random numbers. See, 9 has appeared, that means this is 9 is inclusive. Unlike a range method, randint gets you the inclusive of these two ranges, right? If I want 50 random values, I have to run this for loop from 1 to 51. You got it? And this is getting you the random values between 0 and 9.